Okay, guys, so what we're seeing here is some really cyclonic action, tornado type action right here in this intersection.
Oh, that sign almost got us.
That
Thank you,
sign
Paul.
nearly
That's
got
why I
us.
backed up.
Oh, here comes another good one. Oh, camera roll. You know what's actually going to be a good camera to use is my GoPro. Is it a good camera?
I'm with a 160 gigabyte card that I don't have filled up yet.